Hey there, plant lovers. Have you ever considered having a roommate that not only looks beautiful, but also offers countless health and beauty benefits? Well, today we're going to talk about why you absolutely need to keep an aloe vera plant in your room. Reason number 1, the incredible healing properties of aloe vera gel. It's a natural remedy for sunburns, cuts, and minor skin irritations. Simply apply the gel directly from the plant onto your skin and let the magic happen. Reason number 2, purified air. Aloe vera plants act as natural air purifiers, removing harmful toxins and releasing oxygen. Breathe easy and enjoy fresher, cleaner air in your room. Reason number 3, easy maintenance. Aloe vera plants are low-maintenance companions, requiring minimal watering and sunlight. They're perfect for both seasoned plant parents and beginners alike. Reason number 4, skincare savior. Aloe vera gel is a treasure trove of vitamins and antioxidants that can help soothe acne, moisturize dry skin, and reduce inflammation. Incorporate it into your daily skincare routine for a healthy glow. Reason number 5, aesthetic appeal. Aloe vera plants add a touch of greenery and elegance to any room. They're like living sculptures, enhancing the visual appeal of your space. Reason number 6, natural hair care. Aloe vera gel can work wonders for your hair, promoting scalp health, reducing dandruff, and adding shine. Say goodbye to chemical-laden hair products and hello to natural beauty. Reason number 7, versatility in DIY recipes. From homemade face masks and hair treatments to soothing lotions and refreshing drinks, aloe vera can be your secret ingredient for a wide range of natural creations. Reason number 8, increased productivity. Studies have shown that having plants in your workspace can boost concentration, reduce stress, and enhance overall productivity. So why not let aloe vera be your green coworker? Reason number 9, improved sleep quality. Aloe vera plants release oxygen at night, promoting a more peaceful and restful sleep. Place one by your bedside and wake up refreshed and rejuvenated. Reason number 10, the gift that keeps on giving. Aloe vera plants are easy to propagate, allowing you to share the love with friends and family. It's like giving them a piece of natural goodness. So, there you have it, 10 compelling reasons to make aloe vera your roomie. From its healing properties and air-purifying abilities to its beauty and versatility, this amazing plant has got it all. If you found these reasons intriguing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our green community. Let's welcome the incredible aloe vera plant into our lives and transform our rooms into a haven of health and beauty.